my name's Brooke. Today I'm going to be conducting an experiment basically showing you how to make a at-home noodle rocket. So the materials we're going to be using are hydrogen peroxide, yeast. I actually have it measured out here, 1 teaspoon of yeast. I have a mason jar. I have a lid with a hole in it that should be equivalent to the bottom of the circumsphere of a noodle. And I have my source of fire here, or what would give the reaction of rocket. So first I'll be showing you a control without using what we expect to be the catalyst, yeast. So I'll add the hydrogen peroxide to the mason jar. That's a good enough amount. And then I'm going to add the lid, put the noodle inside of the lid, and I'm going to be igniting the noodle. And basically we're going to see if it gives a rocket effect. Okay, so it doesn't give any effect actually, because the noodle, it's not even light on fire, the least bit. So we can see that there's no reaction if I were to light the noodle and have just hydrogen peroxide as our, I guess, where the reaction would be occurring. So if I were to add the yeast, what should happen is that it should react with the hydrogen peroxide and it should release oxygen. So this oxygen should actually help to ignite or give a rocket effect to the noodle. So first we'll add the yeast, a teaspoon of yeast. And you can already see that it's bubbling up a little bit. Look closely. You can see it bubbling up a little bit. You see bubbling up a little bit. So we're going to mix it up. You can see that oxygen is being released. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to light this noodle on fire. You can see that it's giving you a rocket effect. Pretty cool. So the oxygen is breaking down in the hydrogen peroxide, and so oxygen is being released and water is being produced. So the experiment was successful. Thank you.